Oh no! It's getting a new power, Mr. Boss!
What? Not going to happen!
I am Earthquake Boy!
What is that?
The Punching Giga!
Oh, what creature is this?
Hey, Dudu! How dare you attack my friends? I will teach you a lesson, Dudu!
You want to teach me? Yeah, right, in your dreams!
Hmm?
Oh no!
Three maximum lasers! And you will be destroyed, Bobo Boy!
Destroy?
Oh, what?
Earthquake! We have to attack it together! Lightning sword! Looks like you have a new power too! Quick! Let's finish him off! Alright! Yeah! Take it! Yeah! Hobo Boy! Cyclone! Yeah! Now we Lightning movement! Yeah, awesome.